General elections were held in Myanmar on 8 November 2015, with the National League for Democracy winning a supermajority of seats in the combined national parliament. Voting occurred in all constituencies, excluding seats appointed by the military, to select members of assembly to seats in both the upper house and the lower house of the Assembly of the Union and State and Region Hluttaws. Ethnic affairs ministers were also elected by their designated electorates on the same day, although only select ethnic minorities in particular states and regions were entitled to vote for them. These polls were the first openly contested election held in the country since 1990, which was annulled by the military government after the National League for Democracy's victory. The poll was preceded by the 2010 general election, which was marred by a widespread boycott and allegations of systematic fraud by the victorious Union Solidarity and Development Party. The NLD won a sweeping victory, taking 86% of the seats in the Assembly of the Union, well more than the 67% supermajority needed to ensure that its preferred candidates will be elected president and second vice president in the Presidential Electoral College. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.